Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to assure you that you'll have a solid understanding on how exactly you can connect ESP8266, Nodemcu and ESP32 to Wi-Fi. This is the basic building block for any IoT project which includes Wi-Fi connectivity. So let's straight away get started with the video. The first thing here is setting up of Arduino IDE. I have provided the link below in the description in case if you have trouble in doing it. Now let's include a library ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h. This basically provides function for connecting to the Wi-Fi networks. Okay. Right after this we are going to declare two variables. One is SSID and password. So here what you're going to do is replace your Wi-Fi network name and password. Now this setup function is called only once when the board starts. Also this initializes a serial communication with a baud rate of 115200. It means these many bits are sent per second or received. This also allows us to print the messages on serial monitor, and after this our Wi-Fi connection will begin, which is provided by us in the while loop. It keeps running until the Wi-Fi connection is established. Basically, it checks the connection status using Wi-Fi.status, and if it's not connected, it waits for 500 milliseconds and then starts printing dots in the serial monitor. Now, once the connection has been established, it prints the message Wi-Fi has been connected, and after this, it prints the IP address assigned to ESP8266 board using Wi-Fi.local IP. Now after this you can use the loop function, which is called repeatedly after setup function. We can also add our own code here to perform any desired functionalities. Now let's put up our Wi-Fi network name and password. And after this click on serial monitor. Here you'll have to set up your baud rate in case if it is not set to the right baud rate, and here you can see the Wi-Fi has been connected. In case if you find this video helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.